Hello there. Do subliminals work? Abso-freaking-lutely. Why do you think I keep making them? And people keep seeing results too. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you 3 success stories in which subliminals worked instantaneously. This video is going to raise your vibration and help you be a magnet for whatever you are desiring to manifest through subliminals, because it's going to show you what's possible for these people in these success stories are possible for you. So let's keep it going, baby. What is up, beautiful people of the YouTube? It is your girl, Spiritual Pizza. On this channel, we talk about self-help, spirituality, self-development, and making the impossible become possible. Because here we believe in manifesting literally anything you want, even if people tell you you're crazy for it. You can have it. If you'd love to be a part of the community, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Some of the best videos on my YouTube channel have been subliminal videos. Why do you think that is? It's not a coincidence. Subliminals work, baby. That is a matter of fact. Subliminals are one of my favorite tools for helping you reprogram the subconscious mind, to talk to your subconscious mind and communicate to your subconscious mind what you desire to manifest, and then that reflects back onto your reality using law of attraction and the law of reflection. All of these subliminal success stories are made and being told with the intention to raise your vibration, to keep your vibe high, to let you know that what is possible for other people is literally possible for you. Don't forget it. Success story number 1. Clear skin within 3 days. I found this user on Reddit. Here is their username, and they were listening to this subliminal right here. That is the name of it. They listened to it for 30 minutes along with a subliminal booster from day 1 to day 3. You can definitely see massive results. Literally within a 3-day span, this person was able to help reprogram their subconscious mind and manifest clearer skin. Oh wow, amazing, looking good, girly. Success story number 2. Super fast jawline results within 4 days. Ooh, jawline, so sharp, so sassy. This person was able to use subliminals to create physical appearance results within a matter of only 4 days. This user from reddit.com listened to this subliminal and was able to manifest jawline results in physical appearance within 4 days. They said they have only been listening to this subliminal for a 4-day period, and within that time period, they've already seen their face slim down and their double chin go down too. And literally, we love that for you. Like, we love when people love themselves and love their physical appearance. Third and final success story with instantaneous results. This person right here in my comments, they used this subliminal, my subliminal, this time. They used my subliminal, and without barely studying, they were able to manifest a high grade, even though they barely studied literally like 2 out of 5 of the subjects. Like, whoa, the power of the subconscious mind is so real. And then this person also even tried it for their biology exam the next day, and they literally got a 97 on their biology exam. Like, what? Literally love to see it. I love to see it. Look at me. I love to see it. Bonus instant result subliminal story. Also from my Manifest Good Grades subliminal. And this success story, we have an instant 2 to 3 day result. This person started listening to my subliminal 2 to 3 days before their exam, and they managed to test very, very well and literally get a 95 out of 100. Are you freaking kidding me? Literally love that for you. Love that for you. How amazing. If this is possible for them, this is possible for you. Anything that is ever possible for anybody else is always possible for you. If you're having any trouble manifesting or anything like that, you can feel free to work with me at www.spiritualpizzacoaching.com and comment down below any other subliminal requests you have so I can keep making them and we can keep getting results because we love it. We love to see it. All right, thank you so much for watching my video. Here are some more if you'd like. Bye.